Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with me. I'm so happy you're here for day 3 of our 10-day English shadowing challenge. Let me ask you a quick question. Did you practice with day 1 and day 2? If you did, you're making great progress. If you didn't, don't worry. The important thing is that you're here today. Use headphones and repeat out loud after me. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. Are you ready? Let's begin. I try to speak English every day. I try to speak English every day. I enjoy learning useful expressions. I enjoy learning useful expressions. I can understand more English than before. I can understand more English than before. I practice even when I feel tired. I practice even when I feel tired. I use English in my daily routine. I use English in my daily routine. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. I listen carefully to improve my pronunciation. I listen carefully to improve my pronunciation. I enjoy having simple conversations in English. I enjoy having simple conversations in English. I can express my thoughts more clearly now. I can express my thoughts more clearly now. I stay focused on improving my skills. I stay focused on improving my skills. I learn something valuable every day. I learn something valuable every day. I try to think in English more often. I try to think in English more often. I enjoy seeing my progress over time. I enjoy seeing my progress over time. I use simple English to share my ideas. I use simple English to share my ideas. I am building strong speaking habits. I am building strong speaking habits. I keep practicing because my goals matter. I keep practicing because my goals matter. I am learning to speak more naturally. I am learning to speak more naturally. I enjoy improving step by step. I enjoy improving step by step. I can communicate better than before. I can communicate better than before. I stay patient with my learning journey. I stay patient with my learning journey. I enjoy using English whenever I can. I enjoy using English whenever I can. I believe practice makes me stronger. I believe practice makes me stronger. I am moving closer to fluency every day. I am moving closer to fluency every day. I am proud of the effort I make. I am proud of the effort I make. Excellent! Keep going. I enjoy speaking English with other people. I enjoy speaking English with other people. I feel more confident when I have conversations in English. I feel more confident when I have conversations in English. I can answer simple questions easily. I can answer simple questions easily. I enjoy sharing my thoughts and opinions in English. I enjoy sharing my thoughts and opinions in English. I am becoming a better and more confident communicator. I am becoming a better and more confident communicator. I speak more naturally and comfortably every day. I speak more naturally and comfortably every day. I am not afraid to express my ideas. I am not afraid to express my ideas. I enjoy learning from real conversations. I enjoy learning from real conversations. I can explain simple things in English. I can explain simple things in English. I enjoy listening and responding in English. I enjoy listening and responding in English. I pay attention to useful expressions. I pay attention to useful expressions. I learn new vocabulary every day. I learn new vocabulary every day. I enjoy using English in different situations. I enjoy using English in different situations. I can understand more than before. I can understand more than before. I am improving with every conversation. I am improving with every conversation. I enjoy practicing with videos and podcasts. I enjoy practicing with videos and podcasts. I can communicate more clearly now. I can communicate more clearly now. I trust myself when I speak English. I trust myself when I speak English. I enjoy challenging myself with new topics. I enjoy challenging myself with new topics. I am building fluency step by step. I am building fluency step by step. I use English whenever I get the chance. I use English whenever I get the chance. I enjoy my English learning journey. I enjoy my English learning journey. I am getting better every single day. I am getting better every single day. I am closer to my goals than before. I am closer to my goals than before. Excellent work! You have completed day 3 of our 10-day English shadowing challenge. Remember, consistency is the key to success. If you completed today's challenge, write day 3 complete in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Keep going! See you tomorrow in day 4.
Bye!
For now.